Let's talk about what's going on in the economy. Basically, what's happening, what's going on with mortgage rates, and what you need to know in simple terms. Now, what's the big news? Jobs are slowing down. This month or last month in July of 2025, about 73,000 new jobs were added, much fewer than expected. That's a sign that the economy is slowing down. The Feds kept the interest rates steady at 4.25% to about 4.5% in July. They basically waited for more data to come in before they decide to cut rates, data on tariffs and things like that. The average mortgage rate in July, mortgage rate for a 30-year fixed loan was about 6.72%, just slightly lower than it was last week. What does it mean? What does it mean for you? It's good news. There's a small drop in interest rates, which is great. Like going from 6.72 to 6.7% can save you some money compared to having a higher interest rate. The bad news: home prices are increasing. They're still going up. There was a 0.4% increase in home prices last month. Many people can't afford the median home price now, which is about $447,000 across the country. Um, if you're borrowing money, if you're looking at, let's look at it like this: if you borrow $300,000 at 6.8%, your monthly payment is about $1,950, $50 short of 2,000. If the rate drops 6.7 to 6.7%, your payment now drops about $20 a month. That may not seem like or sound like much, but over 30 years, that adds up. That could be thousands of dollars in savings. And the average mortgage interest mortgage, or the average mortgage is about a 30-year mortgage. So get pre-approved. If you're house hunting now, get pre-approved. Have your documents prepared. Get yourself ready. It saves you time, saves you money, saves you headaches. Don't just wait for the rate to get lower, because even though the rates may drop, and they will over time, prices are going to still get higher. You can always late refinance if the rate drops further and save yourself some money down the road. But keep your credit score. Make sure that improves as well. Try to keep that in that 700, 720, 740 range. That's going to get you, much better deals, and you could even save more. In closing, what I can say, the headline for today's topic really is the jobs are slowing down. Um, Mortgage rates basically are holding steady. They're still in the high sixes. And that's again if you have a good credit score. The prices of homes are still increasing. They're going up 0.4% recently. But act now. Plan to refinance later when the rates drop. You want more help running some numbers, getting an idea, learning more? Hit me up. Get on a free consultation. You find my information in my bio. Until then, peace.